Are you recording?
I think, yeah, it's got the red light, you're recording. Hello? Hello? Wait, point it at me. Hello, internet, welcome to Ronnie's channel. Today we've got a sniper. Now, let's go.
Yeah, I'm about to see these two idiots in front of me.
Yeah, we're talking about you. Ah! So this is Aaron, Ronnie, Jimmy.
Yeah.
What?
We've got
Reggie?
Jimmy's the name.
What's your name, punk?
I don't know if I should use my real name, so I use my own name. I'll be known as Blitz.
Shall I shoot him in the helmet?
I think we all full off.
There's a gun there.
He has to talk to us.
I hate socialising. Huh? I've got that recording as well. How dare you? So mean. Yep.
Him and someone else were walking in front of me, and they were like, "Today I got a sniper." So I just wondered about to today I'm got mad jumping two idiots in front of me. And he was recording.
Make sure to get up inside, Ronnie, yeah?
Hmm?
Make sure to get up inside, yeah?
Definitely. Not like I just saw you two holding hands a second ago.
Where is he? He's wobbling down now. Right. Firing line. Present arms. Aim. Fire. No, I didn't. I felt short. I'll just say hi. You felt short? Yeah, I felt short. He's short. I didn't fall short. I went off. Oh, I hit. It's a microscopic micro.
Where's Ronnie?
Oh, is that a beanstalk I see?
It was pretty funny. Hey, Ronnie. Just show this to you two. Okay. How apparently hit you? Did you get hit? Huh? Did you get hit? Yeah, just fine. Wasn't me. I shot past you. I fell short. Wasn't me. You've got two. Yes.
Powers of observation will fail to amaze us, Sherlock.
Defending, attacking. There's no point going backwards.
Yeah. Just mount it on a wall, and you're fine.
Mount it on a wall.
Yep.
Don't be using it, not staring at it.
Yeah, mount it.
That's what I mean, is like, rest on it.
Just gotta get that box and screw it in and just screw it into a plank of wood.
Stop touching each other. Stop touching each other.
Yeah, there is a wind going right to left.
Ronnie.
Hit by accident, that's the worst kind, isn't it?
I feel like it's gonna break apart.
Excuse me.
There you go, Ronnie. Find out.
I completely missed.
Did it hit?
Saw it back from the side.
Gee, can you hit the blue drum?
Oh no, let's find out.
Is that all right?
That was shit.
I'm glad he's on our team now.
Where'd you get that from?
One in every four
Where'd you get that
shots.
from?
I got it for James.
Ah.
How much was it?
Enough. Yeah, enough.
Too much.
It was enough.
Interesting.
3 digits. Yeah.
Wait.
It cost 3 digits. And there ain't no points in them 3 digits.
Oh. That's tough.
I'm gonna be spending.
What's that, like 300?
I'm going to be spending 95 quid for an L96.
Oh, that's close.
300 plus 400. Like 900.
Right, three, listening.
Alright, there, math. 400 plus
So, you currently have 50 points that they want to take. At the back of this field is a wooden hut. That's where your regen is. You've got 5 lives. So that's 4 regens, 4 trips to the hut. Back in. On that last life you shot again, you're out to the side. So then step out under the tape and stand to the side. They've got unlimited lives, so they're going to keep coming at you. Alright? Let them get close enough, just keep taking them out.
When you don't get out.
The one thing for you to remember is communication is going to win you the game or cost you the game. One person is allowed forward on your team. Right? Behind those tires, behind that barrier, behind that mount, one line of objects in front. You have people in the tunnel. You can't come forward. If one of you is forward and another person doesn't know that and comes forward, both of you die and lose a life. Right? So communication is the key. Make sure you know who is forward and what you're doing. Right? Airsoft is not real combat. Therefore, it doesn't matter if you shout where the enemy are to each other. They're going to know where you are anyway, shooting at you. So, just like I said, make the most of it. Communication is when you're new to the game. Any questions?
How many
What happens if you ring your own bell?
You game over. They lose points. Which is why when I brief it on the reverse, I say to them, don't go to the hut and ring your bell when you regen this time, because it'll end the game and use points.
Wait, how many lives do you have again? 3?
Don't tell them that.
No, you have 5 lives,
Oh.
4 regens.
Ah.
Digging anywhere along here, yourself set up.
Leo! This guy just completely ignored me.
What?
Come here, you need to go on one of these.
If you're I mean, I don't blame you. Why are you using me?
I'm not ready yet, I'm too short for this.
Maybe.
Make my way downtown, walking fast. You're nowhere near that then. Well done.
How do you shoot that?
You're literally. This is what you're looking at. You're literally looking at the site and you're.
Oh, magazine spiky. Come here, Pookie.
I got that on camera. I hope you know I got that on camera. I hope you know I got that on camera.
Don't shoot that.
You see Reggie over
Friday,
there?
my son. Friday.
I don't really see him, to be completely honest.
Think you're over there.
That's a box, you dummy.
No, through the box.
Yeah, I can see through a box, can't I?
Yeah. Run it. Run it. No. Yes? No.
Yeah, get him on as well.
Hmm?
Get him as well. He can start fire. He can get.
Right, go over to the tower.
Ah!
There.
Leo!
There.
Leo! 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 Come on! I'm sorry! You're taking a while. But you can get such a better range on this if you come back up here. Leo,
Hi.
get up here.
Why?
You can get higher range on it. So, knock some sense into him. He needs to get higher up for a sniper.
Leo, come up here. Wasted it all full of king.
Oh.
No. Can you can you provide me cover for a moment? I'm kind of...
This is such a Leo moment.
No, you're fine.
This is such a Leo moment right here.
What's good? Anyway, running. Running.
Leo, you realise this
Running.
is such a moment for you.
Running. Shoot that guy, not that guy. Yes, shoot over there. Yes, look through walls. You said you couldn't look through things.
Is this cheating? I see one right in the middle. Oh, he got mad.
He doesn't like us. I win. And it's down there in the... You're gonna get shot.
They're not hitting us, they're hitting this bit.
Oh yeah, that's pretty close.
My shots are not hitting them. Ah! Yeah, but you can shoot it back. Did I hit him?
No, did you?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking.
How are you just not getting hit?
Because they're hitting this bit. Like I said, rentals can't reach this far.
Yeah, but they're not rentals.
There they are.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Look. Look. Just stand up here and shoot. And just look. See, they're hitting this bit.
I know, but it's close.
Jesus Christ.
God.
Why are they so loud today?
I don't know.
Mate, you think you're a little sneaky, huh? I see him behind you.
Yeah, that's gonna hit them. I just can't aim.
Come on.
Find a good arrow. How does none of that hit? Oh god.
I need that sniper.
Almost fell down the stairs.
Where did Leo go?
He got shot. Oh, hi Leo. You're back.
Leo, we need the. Leo, we need.
This is the shitty. Don't die, Leo. Alrighty, what's the plan?
So we can't. So basically, why you can't reach this?
Why is my mask such a crap mask? It's not masking.
You need to.
Bro, it's literally got one
fart.
drop.
Cause
Leo.
Leo just came up here.
Balls. Suck my balls at Leo. Hi!
No,
No.
you're good.
I tried to make it explode, but I
Leo,
didn't
come up here. You can shoot someone from here.
He's fine down there. He'll just take up too much space. Smells. As you can tell. Alright, what's the plan?
So we can't reach them because like.
The plan's hitting the bang bang bang. Piece of crap.
Did it run out?
I ran out of gas.
Really?
I forgot to regas it.
Can I use it? I want to see what it's like.
Tool in the shed. One sec.
Yeah, nice aim.
Shut up.
Nice aim there, Bucko. Nice aim.
You try.
Alright. Is that reaching? Or like. It ran out already.
Run out of ammo or gas? Ammo or gas? Take that. I can't put them, I can't aim. I can't aim enough to put my magazine in. I shot one of the paintballs accidentally. It was definitely accidental, by the way. It got very quiet.
How do you reload this?
Oh god.
This is such a Ronnie moment right here.
Idiot. Look, watch this. Put thumb in there. Pull that down. Put BB in there. Do you understand now, my son? Ah, God. Piece of crap. I'm good at this. Here you go. Good luck dying.
First time using his pistol.
You used it before.
Safety
First time on
question
camera,
mark?
but
Huh?
it did run out of gas then. What are you doing? He ran out of gas. It is.
Why do you not like?
It's a very easily forgettable step.
Where is blood at? Wait, where did Leo go?
I think he died again.
Oh wait, I just realised we're saying his name on camera.
Yeah, he said his name.
Oh.
Sure he'll live.
Yeah. Well, we're not saying it's like a second name, and it's like.
No, I'm sure there's at least 2 people named Leo. You saw nothing, by the way.
No.
I could see nothing.
We need to get
Who
that.
the heck's that? Who? They're sprinting.
Dan, how is he running so fast with that gun?
He's gonna trip. Where did Leo go? I think. Oh, he's over there.
Ah.
Being flipping slow. Anyway, you ready? We go pop up. We shoot as much as we physically can shoot, and then we run away. Yes?
Wait, I need the.
No? What are you doing?
By the way, this is an Aaron and Ronnie moment here. We're trying to figure out what to do.
Yes. Pop up. Oh god. Pop up. Shoot. Yes?
Yeah, but we can't. But like that's blind firing.
No. We pop up and shoot. We're not blind. We're just firing.
Yeah, but like.
No one would hit me.
I was just testing.
Testing.
Oh wait, we got some red gas.
What?
Oh, that's pink. I've never seen pink gas before. Ow! Ow!
Yeah, I told you they could hit us.
That guy never shot us before though. I'm saying it. Are you? I've never seen pink gas before. No, that's the first time I've ever seen pink gas before.
That's red smoke.
That is pink. There's no way you're saying that's red.
There's no way you can't die to that. Let's fuck it up.
I feel like I'm not sure this is overkill or not. I said hit, and like I went down the stairs. And
Hey, it's hidden.